Can reading really help us to achieve fluency in English? Do you think it will help us to achieve fluency in English? If you ask me the same question, definitely I will say yes, because reading can absolutely help us to achieve, uh, become the master, the pro level English speaker. We can use reading as a habit, right? So in this video I'm gonna tell about how reading can actually help us to become a fluent English speaker, and how to make this reading as a habit, and what to read and how to read, which is a better process to read. So all these questions you'll be able to clarify in this video. Just try to watch this video till the end, you'll get the complete information. Okay, the first main important thing in reading which you need to do, absolutely read. So what you are reading, it doesn't matter, but how consciously you are reading, it is the most important thing, right? So you can read newspaper, books, comic books, articles, some short news, anything which you like, but just try to read with a very consciousness, right? So even if you like to read some fictional books or non-fictional books or kids stories, novels, just go with that. Or even if you are a beginner, just go with a simple book. If you are able to understand, with a simple pronunciation will be there, right? Simple words, and they won't use that much of critical words in their books. Just pick that book and just try to read it. Just try to read it, right? So at the initial days you might not able to understand everything what you're reading, but slowly if you continue the process for almost 1 week or 2 weeks, not I'm saying, just try to go with the 1 month or 2 months, you will see the results, right? Trust me, you will definitely able to see the result, right? So not only reading, right, how to read, right? As I said in the beginning of the video, just take a pen and sit alone, right? Just try to be alone in your room. Just take a book which you like and take a pen. Just try to read line by line, right? In the middle of the lines you will find some unknown words, and or idioms or phrases, sentences which you can't even understand the meaning of it. Then underline that word and move to the next line, right? And after completing the reading of the pages, or 2 or 3 pages which you want to stop at that place, just note all of those words in a paper and try to know the meaning of those words, right? This is how, if you try to do this, definitely whenever you find that word again in another page or any place, if you know, you will be already able to know the meaning of, right, of that word, right? So definitely you will not feel very new, and you will not feel get what's the meaning of that word, how can I able to understand it. You will not feel like that at the next time, right? So at the first time you feel very new to that word, but if you know the meaning of it, definitely another time you will not feel like that, right? I hope you got my point. So just try to participate very closely in this reading process. Definitely it should not be like yeah, okay, I'm reading, I'm seeing there, I'm seeing that place. Not like this. Fully be conscious while reading. Okay, even if you read at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it is okay, but keep maintain this habit every single day without breaking the consistency, and read at least 10 minutes every single day. It is okay, right? So go with the simple one, and if you keep continue the process, definitely your mind will be want to make it upgrade it to the some more time, or 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. You will continue this process, love to do this, right? So you might able to feel like, I've been reading a lot but still I'm not getting there. if you ask the question to me, you are making your reading in a wrong process, right? You are in the wrong path. So just try to go with a simple one and underline some new words and try to know the meaning of it, and just another time if you find the same word again or a idiom or the phrases, your mind strikes the meaning of it. Okay, so we have to pronounce this word in this way, and this is the meaning of that word, right? So your mind tells you to understand in that way, right? I hope you got my point. So just try to make it as a habit, and I told this about this in my previous videos as well, but somehow I wanted to tell this again in this video. This is all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. Okay.